Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to easily get a Snapchat for your Android phone. So you just want to open up your Google Play Store, okay, and in the search, you just search for Snapchat. And in here, as you can see, if your region supports Snapchat, you just press on the install button and easily use it. If not, I will show you a small alternative. In your Google, type in Snapchat APK, and from a trusted source, you download the APK file. For example, from this one, this is a trusted source. So you can see we have a button, get the latest version, like that. Now you can just scroll down and press on the download button. All right, I found another website because that one was just redirecting me to the official website for some reason. So you can just use the div xland, press on download. Okay, now the link will load and our download will start very soon. Alright, as you can see, this is our APK file, and now just wait for it to download, and then just press on it and install, just like you would any app, and enjoy Snapchat. So these are the two ways, guys. Enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.